So friends, Affle India share yesterday what I told, it will fall today 5% lower circuit. Okay, so yesterday so many people commented there, you don't know anything, then please correct your language, way you are speaking is not good. Bro, the way whatever I am speaking, my English is not perfect, that's okay, fine, but the thing what I am telling, it should be helpful to you. Okay, because I am not here to tell you to subscribe this channel, because monetization tab is already not on for me, and my business is different. We are doing different type of business. For us, your like subscription and all these things will not help us. We just helping out. My passion is for stock market, for that reason I am giving you all these labels. Okay, so this is the live market. You can see this Affle India share price is right now 4748, but today I think it was 5% lower circuit. Okay, so if you see 5 minutes chart, Affle India right now is taking at a base. Okay, this 4748, it is taking a base. If it is going up today, the first target for the day will be 4863. Okay, if 4863 it breaks, then 4931, and next will be 5028, which will be more than the day high. Okay, but if Affle India will start to fall, not today, day after tomorrow, means Monday or Tuesday, what will be our target? Bro, if it cannot sustain this level, this is a support level, if it cannot able to sustain here, directly the target is 4114, what I have told you. Directly that is the target of 4114. In between middle some target is there, but I don't think so. Okay, in between one target is there 4447, but for my target will be 4114. At 4114 directly you can go for a buy. That time RSI will be down to 20, and directly you can go for a buy call. Okay, but if you see this 30 minutes chart, here RSI is 19. Okay, here I am thinking it will take a support, it can go up, but in a longer term basis, within next week or somehow next within this month, it can go and try to test that target 4114. From 4114 you can go for a buy call. Okay, and so this is the thing. So be cautious regarding this type of share. Affle India, yesterday I have giving this Easy My Trip. Okay, this type of share, be careful, because this share has been gone up too much. So when the market will start to little bit fall, this share will be in the queue, in the fast queue to fall. Even Tanla Solutions, even Prince Pipe and all. Okay, so be careful for this type of stocks. Okay, thanks for watching yesterday video. Yesterday video was within 500 viewers. Thanks for it. And please, this is a disclaimer, this channel is only for educational purpose. We are not responsible for a profit and loss you are making. Please do your own research analysis before investing in share. Thanks.